Hey everyone, in today's video we are looking at 3 super common mistakes that people make when learning Spanish, so you can avoid them and sound more natural. Let's go! Mistake number 1, direct translating. It's a mistake that I also make in English. In this case, I am going to put you the case of cold. So stop saying soy frío, because that literally means I am cold person. So if you want to make it correctly, you need to say tengo frío. I feel cold. Mistake number 2. Me llamo es. That have absolutely no sense. So why is es wrong? Me llamo already means my name is. Adding es is unnecessary. And the last one, but not less important, confusing muy and mucho. So we use muy before adjectives, adverbs. Muy bonito, very pretty. Muy difícil, very difficult. And mucho before nouns or as a verb intensive flair. For example, mucho dinero, a lot of money. Me gusta mucho, I like a lot. Well, that's pretty much for today. But now that you are here, why you are not following me? Come on, it's free. See you in the next video. Bye.